In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your location on Dubizzle. If you're browsing listings and noticing they aren't quite relevant to where you actually are, updating your location will make your search results more accurate and your experience faster. This quick update helps Dubizzle show you nearby items, services, and property options, and it also sharpens price comparisons for your local market. First, log into your Dubizzle account. Make sure you're signed in so your change is saved to your profile and carries across devices when you come back later. You'll usually find the sign-in option at the top of the page or within the main menu in the app. Once you're in, return to the home screen or the main browsing page so you can easily access the location selector. Next, look toward the top of the screen near the Dubizzle icon. Right beside that logo, you'll see a location control. It often shows your current city or region and may look like a drop-down field or a small pin icon. This is the control you'll use to update your location. Click the drop-down list to open the location options. You should see a field where you can type along with a list of suggestions. This list is designed to help you quickly find the right city or neighborhood, and it usually narrows as you type. If your results feel too broad, add more detail, like the specific area within your city, and watch the suggestions refine in real time. Now enter your new location, type the name carefully, and then select the exact match from the suggestions. Picking from the list ensures Dubizzle recognizes the location in its system, which helps your filters work correctly. Take a second to confirm the spelling and that you've chosen the right city, especially if there are places with similar names. Finally, save the changes. Depending on your version of the site or app, there may be a Save or Apply button. In some cases, the selection locks in automatically once you choose from the list. When saved, your page may refresh or your search results will update to reflect the new area. That's all it takes. A quick sign-in, a look beside the Dubizzle icon for the drop-down, entering your new location, and saving. From here on, your browsing should feel more local and more relevant. If you ever want to switch again, just return to that same spot and repeat the process. Thanks for watching and enjoy a cleaner, more accurate Dubizzle experience.